Hi YouTube, this is again a video about Rooney, my hammy, and his bigger new cage that I bought him a few days ago. It's just like his very own gym inside a mansion type of a cage, and I'm just going to show you how I arranged the cage and made some stuff inside the cage. If you have watched my previous videos on Rooney, you could watch them right now by clicking the link below. You'd notice that his cage before was far too small as compared to this one. Ever since I got Rooney, he grew almost double his size. That's wait, where is he? Yeah, that's him right there inside. He's still sleeping. Let's wake him up. Rooney, Rooney. Hello. Morning. See, that's him. Still sleeping. Was really tired. He was so busy last night because he was overly excited about this new cage, and so let's let him sleep. So ever since I got Rooney, he grew almost double his size. He's now as big as a rat. And I even had a hard time looking for hideaways like this one and that one below, which was actually handmade by my dad so that he could actually fit inside. And this big hamster wheel right there. I know it's still small for a teddy bear hamster, but let's get to that later. Okay, so basically here's his house. Some of the stuff inside are included with the cage, like this one, the house there, and the floors, and yeah, well, that's about it. And some are from the previous cage, like this bathroom right here, and still some I just made a few days ago. So let's start. The flooring, these yellow floors, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, the floors came with the cage, and I was planning to make a flooring made of wood, but since these yellow ones came with the cage, um, I just used them. The best thing about them is that you could rearrange the floors again by just by unhooking these right here. You could take this out, the hooks, see? So you could just remove them and then place it somewhere, maybe lower or higher, or maybe even here in the middle, so you could give the house a new look. And moving it and stuff like that. There are stairs which came with the cage, which are right here. Wait, let me. Here are his toys, by the way. And there are boxes right here, so I'm gonna cut holes in them and make like tunnels and stuff, but I'm still busy, so so here's the stairs. um I didn't use them because they're all the same shape and size, and I wanted my floor plan to vary from each floor, so that meant having stairs of different lengths, so I just made my own. So as you can see, it's really hard, and it's like there are 4 of these, by the way, so all of them are the same size and shape. I can find the 3. So anyway, instead, in exchange of this, to replace them, I used these instead. I made them by myself. Uh, these are made of popsicle sticks, a bit of rope under here. There's rope tied on the sides, and then a piece of cardboard in the middle to make sure that none of his feet get stuck in between the gaps there. So I arranged them like this. Some are like bending like a ladder, and then some look like a hanging bridge right there. This one here, to give my hammy exercise. He could climb up here and then, yeah. So you get the picture. So what's next? Oh yeah, I used glue, by the way, a glue gun and a glue stick right here. This you could buy this very cheap. I use this, but don't worry. I Some say that it's harmful for hamsters, for hammies, because they chew a lot. But my Rooney's not a chewer. He doesn't chew stuff. He what I have given him popsicle sticks, which he loves to chew. If you can see, there are chew marks on the sides. See, that's what he chews. He doesn't chew much though, unlike other teddy bear hamsters. Look, he's awake now. Morning. He's grooming himself. Rooney. Rooney. Hello. Say hi. Hi. See, he's really big. His his head is almost as big as the hole. Okay, let's talk about this one. This coconut shell right here. I bought this for 150 pesos, which is like $3 to $4 when converted. So that's actually for birds, for lovebirds. But I use them for Rooney because I think he's going to love the space, which he does. He loves hanging out there. That's actually his grooming area. I see most of the time when I clean that, I see poop and stuff. So that's where he grooves himself. That's where he poops. But he doesn't pee there. This is where he pees. His bathroom with sand. There's sand right here. There's the sand that I use. And that's his bathroom. Okay, that came in the cage as well. This previous cage. This is a little, yeah, it's a little room with some sand bath. And here's this handmade bed which my dad made. There. And what's inside? Oh, it's a chew toy. Here's another chew toy. He kept it inside. Okay. Here's another chew toy right here. Let's put this here. And see these tubes? This tubing. I just bought these for 85 pesos each, which is like $2 each. No, yeah, $2 each. So this one's $2. This one is $2. So they're really scrap. I just keeping them here. But since I bought this new cage with holes in them, I was able to use them. So he uses, oh, there he goes. He uses them a lot. These tubes. It's like if he gets too tired from going down the stairs, he could just use the tube to get down faster or to move up faster. So this came with the cage. So I just put that right there. And the bowl and the water bottle came with the previous cage. That's his food right there. So yeah, that's where I keep his food. It's Vitacraft, by the way. I know it's like a German brand, so it's Vitacraft. That's a mineral stone, the white one. It's a mineral block. Mineral block. And there's the mineral stone. He doesn't chew that a lot, but he chews this one. He prefers the mineral block. Okay, so with the wheel, they say that for a teddy bear hamster, it has to be like at least 11 inches, but I've searched. See, there he is again. Hello, Rooney. He's very tame actually. He loves hanging out with people. If he smells someone, he really goes out of the room if he's not asleep. So yeah, okay. With the wheel, they say that it needs to be like 11 inches, but I can't find any wheel as big as that. That's the biggest I could find. So yeah, but he uses that a lot. He loves that wheel. Okay, so what else? Okay, there's a tube again right there, which brings him to the second floor. Here's the sawdust. The sawdust I use is Chipsy. The brand is Chipsy. We don't have Carefresh right here in our country. They say that Carefresh is the best for hamsters because it's very comfortable for them, but we don't have Carefresh here. So this is a good substitute The brand name is Chipsy. I could show you, but I don't have it here in my room, so yeah. I designed the cage with popsicle sticks, like that hole right there. I glued on uh, a piece of rope around and some popsicle sticks on the side to make like fences and stuff. And also here, some rope glued around and popsicle sticks. And another one here. Just like add some, design. Oh, there he goes inside the box. See, he's really big. So yeah. Okay, what else? Well, that's about it. That's that's about it. So if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions how I made this cage, any additional information you want to know, just comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Say Rooney, say bye. Rooney, come here. I think he's asleep. Okay, anyway, thank you.